Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, airbags, front, passenger seat cushion, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.